Hello guys, today we will talk about a car diffuser. So most of the time when you are using your vehicle during your commute, so you feel some sort of smell in your car because of the humidity or because of the other things that are available on your car. So you should use the aroma fragrance for your car so that your car, you can feel good or fresh in your car. So here you can see that paradise fragrance which we have ordered yesterday and we received at our home by today. So let me just show you. So what you need to do is you have to take it out the aroma fragrance from the box. So you will see that there is a bottle below this wood piece. Okay, so what you need to do is you have to open the bottle by removing the cap, the wood cap. Okay, now you have to remove this plastic thing. So this is a bottle in which the scent is there. Okay, let me just remove that thing. Okay, so the scent is removed. Okay, now close the cap on the top of the bottle. Okay, okay, now shake it. So here is the aroma fragrance. Now hang this car diffuser in your car so you can see that on the wood there are the wood is wet with some scent or with some scent. So just place this aroma fragrance or hang it in your car mirror, and after when the your car moves, the smell will automatically come inside in your car. Okay, thank you very much.